Imagine you have a Facebook group, maybe to create value and churn out hot leads that will buy your things. And when someone asks to join your group, you leverage the 3 questions Facebook allows you to ask them so you can pre-qualify them. And one of those questions you ask them for their email address, because we all know the money is in the list, right? And you have some email marketing software where you add your leads that join your group so you can email them. How do you quickly and easily get your group leads into your email marketing software? With GroupMonkey, it's just a few clicks. You can grab their gender, country, all the answers to the questions you asked them, and even verify that they gave you a valid deliverable email address. So you're not adding bad email addresses to your list, hurting your sending score, which will eventually land all your emails in spam. You don't want that, do you? Not only can you instantly send these new leads and their data into your CRM and email marketing software, but we also keep it all for you inside the GroupMonkey portal. All you have to do is click a few buttons, which won't take you more than a few seconds, and GroupMonkey will do all the work for you. No more monkeying around, wasting your time doing everything yourself. And GroupMonkey will show you more data like how many total groups your new member is in, how many common groups you're in together, how many total friends your new lead has, how many mutual friends you have with them, how many of their friends are also in your group, and how many of your other groups and which ones they are also a member of. All this data can also be sent into your CRM or email marketing software to further segment your list. And GroupMonkey can do a lot more, like allow you to pre-approve members and only accept pre-approved members if you are running paid members groups or if your groups are only open as part of an offer you have, like a paid challenge. It will also keep track of how many days a member has been in your group so that you can run automations to onboard them into your group, like tag them in a welcome post or tag them in a series of value posts, which could look like this. Day 1, automatically tag them in a welcome post, welcoming them to the group and asking them to introduce themselves. Day 3, tag them in a value post you created that teaches X or Y so they get value from your group. Day 5, tag them in another value post to provide more value. Day 7, tag them in a post explaining your offer. You can change it however you want, but you get the point right. And GroupMonkey will work on an unlimited number of groups for an unlimited number of group members and automations. So if you're already using Facebook groups to generate, nurture, and convert leads into buyers, or you're thinking about starting one, why not let GroupMonkey automate all the mundane tasks that come with running a group so that you can focus on what actually drives the profit needle in your business? And if you're thinking, I have a VA and they do all that for me, well, not only does GroupMonkey cost way less than a VA, don't you think it's better that you also have your VA doing more high-value tasks than just doing things that can be easily automated? And if you don't think your VA can handle more high-value tasks, then not only is it time to get GroupMonkey, it's also time to get a new VA. You can get started right now with a free trial of GroupMonkey to see for yourself how it can help you and save you time. There's nothing to lose. If you don't like it, simply cancel and we won't charge you a penny. And if you love it, it barely costs you anything. So start your free trial right now.